Okay, we're gonna start to work. Okay, guys, today we are going to work in the book. Yep. And today we are going to see about the square uh, review and cube review about the exponent. Okay, so I see that some of you have problems with. Okay, and then I'm going to ask you, what is the difference between a square and a cube? What is the difference?
In a square, only must
That
press
in a square you
the
will
front.
multiply by
Only have
two,
one face.
two
But
times,
in the
and
cube,
with cube you will multiply three times.
the sides, the front, and the upside.
Yeah. In a square, we are going to take in consideration only the front part or the front side of the square. But in the cube, we are going to take in consideration that every side, right? Every face of the cube. And then we are going to get the exponent. But also we, for example, for squares, we need to count how many squares do we have, how many squares do we have in each square. Then we are going to multiply by or times the two side we have there. Okay, and the cube we are going to multiply by the three side that we have there. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to share with you my screen. So I want to see everyone working. Working. I don't want to see uh, students just
Draw that.
reading, just sheeting what the teacher is going to write. Okay. Square exponents. Square exponents. Okay. You are going to work in these square exponents. They're in your notebook. Okay. Find the exponent. Okay, find the exponent for each one. Okay, find the exponent for each one. Okay,
Do it this in that notebook.
in that notebook, exactly. In that notebook.
Mister, can you give us an example that I don't understand anything?
Okay,
And I'm Mister.
yeah,
We will put the base number in the power or only the times that we will multiply.
yeah. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you now. Okay, so first of all, that you have to do is to count. Okay, remember that this one is the square. In this square, we are going to take in consideration just the front side. Okay, one side down and the side for up. Yeah. So in this case, I have how many squares? For down, for down,
Two,
for up,
two and two.
two,
Two
two
and
and two.
two.
And then I have two and two. Okay, and what I'm going to do? Multiply. Two
Multiply.
times two equals
Oh,
4. Yeah, equals 4. Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
Only do that.
yes. Now in the second one, yes, but you have to draw the squares. You have to draw the squares. Okay, for this
How
one,
that?
how many? How many?
three by three. 3 and 3.
3. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Three,
and 1,
Three,
2,
three,
3.
three.
three, equal 9.
Okay, 3 times 3 equals
Equal 9.
9. Okay, and then we have 3 and exponent 2. Okay, why we have an exponent 2? Why?
What?
Because we will multiply 3 by 3.
Mm, yes, but you have to give another explanation because we have only two sides, okay? Because we have one side and other side. In this case, we have two as a power, yeah? Okay, so I want you to, I see that some of you are drawing the squares without ruler. No, you have to draw it correctly, guys. Use your ruler. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. No solo por terminar rápido van a hacer los cuadros sin regla. Okay? Do your work and do it as a student, a fifth grade student. Okay, do it as a fifth grade student. You are not a first grade student. Chloe, do you understand the topic?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Yeah, and Chloe? Yeah, okay. Okay. Dennis. Dennis Gabriel.
Yes, mister.
You understand the topic?
Yes,
Sure.
yes.
Explain to me.
That parts that have, we're going to multiply in 2 by 2
Why? Why? Why, Dennis? Why do we have to multiply by 2?
because they had two parts and one square.
Okay.
Two in
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we have two sides, okay? We have the downside and the upside, okay? 1 and 2, yeah? But you are not going to multiply by 2. So the number of squares, you aren't going to multiply by the same number of squares you have, okay? No by 2. The number 2 means the number of times that you are going to multiply the number of squares you have, okay? In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have a 3 with a power of 2 because I have 3 squares. So I'm going to multiply the number of squares, okay, twice the number of squares I have, but not 3 times 2. Lauren, clear? Lauren, you got it? Yeah, okay. Valeria, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Eunice,
yes, mister.
yeah. Cecilia, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Areli, do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, remember to use your rulers to do this. Don't be a first grade student. Bless you for me. Don't be a first grade student.
Bless you, mister.
Thank you. Don't be a first grade student doing this. Do it as a professional student.
Last one has, Mr. The last one has 8,
Yeah,
but
let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. What happened with the book, guys? What happened with the book? The book, as you see, the book has only one page. Yeah, to practice, and you need to practice a lot. That is why I am writing these kind of this type of exercises in the notebook. It's very important. It's very important that you practice, because if you don't practice, you forget everything
All
that you have learned.
from
Yeah, and then it's important to, especially math. If you don't practice divisions, if you don't practice multiplications, do you think that you aren't going to remember all the time?
nope.
No, right?
No.
And then that is why, to be sincere, this book I don't like a lot, because it's only one page of exercises.
Yes, but it's more beautiful
More beautiful
And
what?
the idea
Because
of
only
the
you have
image.
because you
yes,
have to work only one
because
page.
of the book
The last year book
of yes, right.
was
My
very
page,
was very simple, or you have a lot of work.
yes,
Both. You have a lot of
both,
work and was very simple and with the images.
yes,
Yeah, but I think the book that you had the last year was better. Yeah, it had a better explanation and many exercises to
yes.
practice.
But
For me, it was better than this one.
Finish, mister.
Okay, finish.
Look,
Wait, let me see.
I will paint, mister.
Okay, okay. Um, okay, this exercise that is here, that I'm signing here, this exercise, Dennis is going to tell me, just I want to hear Dennis, right? Just Dennis. Okay, but first, finish there. You understand, Norbeli?
Teacher, the
Okay, I'm going to write here the A, the square B, the square C, okay, the square D, the square E, okay, and the square F. Yes, tell
Mr.
me.
The square F has 8,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Mr. The square E has 6, right?
Yeah.
Teacher, paint the square.
If you want, you can do it.
Okay. Finish me.
Okay, I'm not going to tell you to give me the answer because I'm going to ask the students that I think that they are trying to understand. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes to finish. 2 minutes to finish the to draw the squares. Okay, 2 minutes to finish to draw the squares.
Finish.
Okay,
Finish.
okay, very good, Cecilia.
Finish, mister.
Excellent. Okay, so it's Danny. So Danny's leave.
Finish, Mister.
Okay, excellent. Let's see. Okay, Dennis, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Dennis, the C. How is the C, Dennis?
The C is 4 by 4.
Okay, 4, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and 4 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Then we are going to say 4 times 4
16.
equal 16. Okay,
Mister,
and 4,
I have a question.
yeah,
Why the other side we don't multiply?
this one, this side, yeah,
Yes.
this side. Okay, because it's the same. Okay, it's the same. This one is the same. The same you have here is the same you have here. That is
Finish,
why.
mister.
Okay, that is the difference with the cube. That with the cube you have faces, different faces. Yeah. Okay. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. The number of squares you have into this square is 16. Okay, if you count all the squares together, you will get 16. Okay, let's see, Cesar. Cesar. Cesar, the D, the square D, Cesar.
Mr. Jopen,
Sorry?
the E, yo por ahí.
Yeah, but tell me the answer of the D.
Oh, is 5.
Okay, 5. One side, 5. And,
The
sorry?
second, the second is
Uh-huh.
5.
5, 2. And then we say
Five.
5 times 5 is
25.
25. And if we write as an exponent, how we are going to read it? Or how we are going to write it?
Finish.
Yeah. Cesar, as an exponent, how we are going to write it?
Mister.
Wait.
5
5, yes. How do we call the number that is above the 5?
equal
What is going to be the power? The power. What is going to be the power, Cesar?
equal
Oh, yes, but the number that is here, what number we are going to write? I told you that the name of this one is the power. The number that is here. What number is going to be? I have a power here. What is going to be the power of this number? How many?
5
No. How many sides do I have here? How many sides? This is one
5
side and this is another side. And then what is going to be my power? You know or you don't know? Marbelli?
5.
5. Here, 5. The power is going to be 5.
No.
No, what is going to be the power there?
2.
Why is going to be 2?
2.
2.
Because have 2 sides.
Because I have 2 sides, exactly. This one is one side, and for up is one side. That means that I have 2, okay? Is equal 25, okay? 5 times 5 is 25. In every square is going to be, the power is going to be 2, okay? So who wants to do the E? Who wants to do the E?
I, Mister.
Okay, tell me. What is the answer? What's the answer?
Who, Dennis or me?
Um, whatever of the two. Valeria. Okay, Valeria.
6 by 6.
6. Okay, the remember that the 6 represents the number of square that I have into the square, right? The first side of the square.
Yes.
And this 6 represent the number of
The
squares that I
last
have for up. Okay, and then we are going to have 6 times
6 by
is equals 6 times 6 is
6 by 6.
okay. Remember times, not by times. Okay, times 6 times 6,
36.
36. Yes, Eunice. Okay, Eunice, what is going to be my exponent? My ex. Eunice.
2 = 36.
Okay, 6 and a power of 2. Okay, equal 36. Very good. Okay, let's see the last one. Chloe. Who say I?
I,
Me, Mister. Mister.
Because you understand you want to participate. Okay, Camila Sofia. Camila Sofia. Come on, Camila Sofia. What do we have to do there? So, Camila?
Mister. Wait.
I miss.
Which one, Dennis?
Is
Which
8 by 8.
8?
By
And
8.
for up, I have 8,
8.
right?
Yeah.
8.
That is 64.
Okay, 8 times 8 is equal 64.
64.
64. And the exponent is going to be 8 with a power of 2. Okay, the number of side that I have, that means equal 64. You got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes or not?
Yes.
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 Okay, now,
Yes.
now what you can see there?
It's
Um,
cubes.
oops.
Cubes.
Mister,
Yeah.
but I will not draw cubes.
No, no, no. Okay, then I'm going to write here A. I'm going to write cube B, cube C, and cube D.
E.
Okay, what you are going to do in your notebook, you are going to write the cube A, okay? Okay, if we multiply, okay, how we are going to do this?
3.
3, right? The 3 sides, the tall, the long, and the wide. The tall, the long, and the wide. We have 3, 3, and 3, okay? The long, the tall, and the wide. Okay, how many do we have?
Equal 27.
Okay, and then we
Equal
have
27.
3 times 3
Times three.
times 3
Times
3 equal
equals
27.
27. And what is, and how I'm going to write my exponent?
three
3
power three.
power 3.
3 power of 3 equals 27.
27.
Okay,
I know the
yeah.
second one.
Okay, and then you are going to write the cube A has 3 sides, with 3 cubes, right?
Means that we don't have to draw.
No, 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 no. No, because it's impossible to draw it. Yeah,
Mister, how we will write?
okay.
Draw.
The cube A is multiply 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, this is as you don't have the, or as you cannot draw it, equals 27 with a power of 3 and sorry, a base number of 3 and a power of 3. Yeah, equals, sorry, equals 27. Okay, 27. So now this one, the B. First of all, how many cube I have?
5.
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4.
So, okay, okay, okay. Let me see one thing. This is for this one. Here for the A. Okay, in the B, you are going to write the same, okay? So just you are going to switch or change the number. Okay, this one is the same than the square, but the only difference is that we have different faces. Okay, we have the face 1, the front, and we have the face 2, okay? And we have the other face. So, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 5. Yeah?
Yes.
How's going to be
Yeah.
my process? How's going to be my process?
5 times 5.
5 times 5.
5 times 5, only 5 times 5?
Another
10
5.
times 10 times
Okay,
5
and
times
then it's
5
going to be
equal 125.
5 times 5 times, sorry, times 5 equals 125. And
25.
how is going to be my exponent?
With the
3.
power
5
5,
5,
the
times
base
3.
is 5, and the exponent or power is 3.
3.
okay? 125. Okay, and the next cube, how many you see there?
4.
Okay, remember
1,
that
2.
this one, that cube 8, you are going to write that cube is multiply
I
5
see
times
5,
5 times 5,
mister.
so on. Okay, you see 5? Yeah, 5.
Yes.
Then 5 one side, 5 long, and 5 tall. Okay, because we are taking in consideration um, the tall, the long, and the wide. Okay, and then we say
Equal again
5.
125.
Yes, that's same, right?
Yep.
Equals
25.
125. And the exponent is the same, right?
Yep.
Sorry, number 3. For
Finish.
you finish 125. Okay, and the last one, the D. The D.
6.
6
by
6
6 by 6.
times 3. 6 times 6
Yeah,
times 6
6,
equal 216.
6, and 6. Okay,
Equal
because we take in consideration this one,
216.
6, 6, and 6. Yeah, 6
6
times
times
6,
6 times 6 times 6 equal 216.
100,
200.
216.
Yes.
Sure,
Yes, mister.
216. And what is going to be my power, my exponent?
The power will be 6. The
6.
base
No,
6
that base is
3.
6 and the power
and the
3, right?
power is 3.
3.
3 equals 260.
Finish. 16.
216.
Okay, easy,
Yes.
Yes. Yes, mister.
difficult,
Yes.
difficult.
No.
Now,
No.
100 you got.
Bye, Mr.
If I say we have exam today, you got 100.
Yes, I guess.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. What?
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. Very good.
Bye, Mister.
Everybody understood?
Yes.
Yes. Sure.
Yes, mister.
Yeah. Yes.
100% yes. Cesar.
Yes.
Yes.
Dennis.
Yes, follow me now.
Yes. Okay. I see you in social studies. Okay.
Bye,
Bye bye.
Mister.
Bye, mister.
See you.
Bye. Bye, Mister.
Bye.
Bye, mister. See you in the next class.
Bye.
Social
Bye.
studies.
Only one
Okay. I see
minute.
you in
Bye.
special
Bye.
studies. Okay. Take care.
I bye.
Next
What do
class
you
is
want to
the
say?
Spanish. Bye, Mister.
Bye bye. Take care.
Now you are too sleepy
Oh,
in the classes.
I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to work now.